Look, fellow Ghanaians, look at this. Look at this. This road was done in Dansoman not long ago by a contractor. Look, just one way. See. 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 This contractor is like, why? No, so and you've gone to say you've done this road. Look, 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 look. 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 No, like look, look. Look. So this one No. This contractor, if he has not been paid, he should not be paid. Hi! Look at all this. Look, all here there was bitumen here. Look. Just look at the road. All this was hard, up to the down, up to where you just saw the taxi pass. They were all tired. But now look at it. So that means that even there, it's the same thing. No time, the road is full. Madam Excellency, I beg you, this contractor should not be paid. Look, just look. Look, it's not like there's no gutter. It's not like there's no gutter. Look. So they're just dressing. So these are gutters.